What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Brainwashed lizard cat from the Battle Cats. Let's begin today's lesson at the very top of our page and draw a circle for the head with an open gap along the bottom right. So we're going to start from the base of the neck. It's going to go all the way around, go up toward the top. It's going to come down the side. I just want to swirl this up around the chin. So come down, come around towards the bottom of the chin and just swirl that up. Now, along the top left side, we're going to draw in the eyes. Let's start on the left, draw a circle, go all the way around. Just leave a gap and draw the same size circle on the right. Now, in between the eyes, we're going to step down and draw the nose. Let's bend this out and up towards the left, and then the right side. From the bottom tip of the nose, let's draw the mouth. We're going to come down and curl that up towards the left, aiming towards the eye. Go back to the nose, come down, and then up underneath the right eye. Let's add in the teeth. From the bottom of the mouth, draw two straight angled lines coming down and out. Close off the bottom. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the head and draw a point, going up and then down for the ear. Now move over towards the right, angle this up and out, and then back in towards the side. Now from the base of the head, we're just going to curve the back coming down and then out toward the hind leg. So we come down and then bend that out. Let's layer the back of the hind leg on top. So we're going to step back in, bend this out, round this out, and then bend that down. Now I want to continue to curve the back in behind the hind leg. Just curl that out and then up towards the end of the tail. Now we're going to move over toward the left and draw the front of the body. Let's start underneath the head. Just going to start by going out, come down towards the bottom. Let's going to curl this in towards the hind leg. Come down and then into right about there. Let's layer the front of the hind leg on top. So we're going to step up, bend this around over the body, round out the knee, and then bend that up. Now along the back of the hind leg, we're going to draw the heel. We're going to go up, down, and then in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, coming down and then up towards the first claw. Bend this up and over towards the right. From the tip of the claw, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going out. Bend this up towards the top of the foot, and then down, aiming towards this point in the foot. Let's close off the front of the leg with a curve. Now from the top of the foot, we're going to add a trim. We're going to go out and then up towards the heel, and then out and then down. Now let's continue this curve going towards the right side of the hind leg, bend this out and then up towards the point, towards the end of the tail. Now let's layer the left leg in behind the body. Let's line this point over towards the side of the body, curve this out, round out the leg, and just tuck that up underneath the body. Now I'm going to lift the left foot off the ground. So we're going to step in, bend the foot going out, and then down, go up, and then in. Let's layer the second claw in behind. So we're going to step down, go out and down, bend this up, and just tuck that in underneath the leg. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the right arm. Let's start up here. Just going to bend the arm coming down and then out towards the elbow, then it's across and then up towards the wrist. Let's add two claws. From the wrist, bend this out and down, and then just taper that back up towards the hand. Let's add the second claw, starting along the side, bend this down and out, and this up and then in. Bend the forearm, coming in and then down, aiming towards the elbow. Now I'm going to step back and just bend the top of the arm, coming in and then up. Now I want to duplicate that arm in behind the side of the body. Let's start by lining up the elbows, and this out and up towards the hand. Draw on that first claw coming down, and then up towards the top. Let's layer the second claw in behind, going out and down, and this up towards the top of the hand, and bend the forearm coming in and then down. Now we're going to add some spikes going along the back, up towards the tail. So let's start from the base of the head, going out and then back in. I'm just going to repeat this all the way out towards the end of the tail. tuck this in behind the hind leg. I'm just going to continue along the back. I'm just going to go a little bit smaller as we go out towards the end of the tail. Let's add that trim across the center of the body. Starting underneath the head, just going to bend this out and down in behind the arm. Let's continue down below, come down, and just tuck that in behind the hind leg. Let's continue that curve over on the right side of the leg, bend this out, and then up. Now in the center of the body, I'm going to draw a straight line going across. Now I'm going to add more lines going up towards the head, but we're going to bend this, going up and then down. Leave a gap, just work our way up towards the head. Now as you come down, I'm just going to bend this down and then up. I'm going to add a couple more curves along the back of the tail. Now we're going to add some stripes going across the back of the body. Let's start from the top of the head on the side, bend this up, come in and just bend that up. I'm just going to take this and trace this back towards the side of the head. Let's add a small one down below, going up and then in, and then taper that back down. I'm going to add some going across the body. Let's start from the top, coming up, and then back. Let's go underneath the arm, add a point, add another one just below. I'm going to go across the hind leg. Bend this out and down, and back out. Add a small point on the end. And I want to add a couple more points along the top of the tail. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Brainwashed lizard cat from the Battle Cats. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.